Hey guys, welcome back. Another video with Rabbit Motorworks. Today we're going to do a little bit more work on the Cutlass. I'm starting to take off the headliner, and I was doing some other work in the interior too, just polishing up a couple of things on the dash. The headlight switch was kind of not working so great, and I did fix the ashtray door with some super glue, so that's working now. And I'll probably have to do some paint interior. I've been taking out lights and cleaning these things up too, as they were rusted. Now we've got a really cool working light here, so that's great. And yeah, I'm just going to keep doing some more things on the car, right? Go. Taking off the vinyl roof just because there's not much of it left and it's barely stuck onto anything, so I'm starting to take that down and just pull it away. I do have some 3M red scrubby pads too, and we'll probably do some work taking that out. Okay guys, we are vinyl topless now. We took off the remainder of that, so it looks kind of nice. Now there's kind of the remnants of this glue and a little bit of surface rust. And maybe we can clean the top too. Yeah, we're probably going to clean the top too. The other thing that we did is I kind of mocked up, you know, what does it look like without the top? And so the other thing I was looking at here is, you know, these are pretty bad and these would have to be re-chromed anyways. But I'm thinking about even potentially going vinyl topless, as I think that look might give it a little bit more muscle car look, and having all one thing. Plus being one less thing to redo, but just to give it an idea what it looks like. The other thing we want to do too is take off this this Oldsmobile badging that goes across the back. Reason being right here is it's got a crack on it as well too, and that would actually have to be either re-chromed or a new piece, but yeah, it's looking pretty ratty. But let me know what you guys think. Definitely the bumpers are gonna have to be re-chromed too. But I'm starting to look at the outside of the car and what we're gonna have to entail on some of the work. The other part I'm not really a big fan of is this belt line molding that goes all the way along the side of the car. As again, if we're trying to go for more of a cooler muscle car look, that's more kind of like luxury trim and styling, like, or almost a way of making the hubcaps look a little bit better. So I'm bigger on the sportier look. So, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. Happy to hear some feedback.
Well, now we're taking off
Yeah,
the
these
board up
things
here.
are missing a couple of acorn nuts.
Yeah.
It's kind of on here.
Yeah.
This thing doesn't sit on here with much. Just some. It looks kind of cooler, doesn't it? Here, let me do a little bit of a walk around here. So we've got the trim off, and I also took the back piece off the bottom of the trunk too, and I like that look. It looks a lot cleaner compared to our vinyl top and belt molding and hubcaps.
Maybe clean it down because it's kind of dirty over here.
Yeah, we're definitely going to clean it again.
And clean it over here.
Alright guys, so everything's off the side. I got both sides done. And now since I don't have trim here, and there's basically some flathead screws that have been driven into the door here, and this is kind of already starting to come off. I think I'm going to take off that chrome as well, so let's take that out. Okay guys, we've de-chromed the side of the car, the back, so let's walk around here and show some of the look. We step back a little bit. There we go. You can see that now it's starting to have more of a muscle look. You can actually see the body lines sticking out more than the chrome. I'm on the fence about the bottom rocker chrome molding too, if we keep that or if we remove it as well. I'm almost thinking that goes too. It's gonna have to come off anyways because we're gonna have to do the patch panel on the bottom of the front right fender. And then we're definitely gonna take off that chrome in the back to take care of those couple of dents and patch that rust. So maybe we'll do that first, but I think we're gonna try to accomplish some lunch first.
Yeah.
Right? Cool.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so that's the collection of chrome and miscellaneous fasteners. Plus, I think you can see here, there was quite a few household slotted screws, and I think these are pretty much seen better days. So I'm leaning more and more towards definitely no vinyl top. Convince me wrong. Right? What do you want? Vinyl top or no vinyl top?
No vinyl top.
Okay, cool. All right, well, yeah, so our look is getting closer to what we want. The last piece is taking that chrome off the bottom on each side. So we'll do that next, right?
Yeah.
Cool, all right. Okay guys, we got the chrome off, and we're just taking off these pieces here.
And it's on the west of there.
Yeah. The
Can't
rust
we see
here
it?
is actually not as bad as I thought because it's only really gone through the the outer quarter panel and not the inner. So that's good. We can get a patch panel that basically cuts this and covers it. So that's going to be easy peasy to weld on a new piece.
But we have to buy metal.
Yeah, we'll buy metal. So these are coming off.
Wait.
Yeah.
But every time we... Wait, there's like...
There we go. Okay, so one of the other things I did is took off the front turn signals. It looked like they were underwater at some point, and I took the seals out too. They were hard as a rock. Junior's trying to get some of the rust stains out of it, but not having really good luck with Dawn, so we might have to try
Simple green?
Simple green, maybe, yeah, something a little more aggressive. Or maybe some CLR. I don't know how that works on plastic though. Those are pretty nice looking turn signals, so I'd like to try to keep them original if possible. Here's the gaskets for them, and these things are like, yeah, not rubber anymore. So that's why the water was coming in. So I'll order a couple of these too. Updates of what I've been doing on the Cutlass. I did bust out the mag and aluminum polish, although these bumpers are probably gonna have to be re-chromed. At least I think this one's got like a little bit of a bump underneath it as well too, but I just cleaned them up and did some quick polish. I also took off the turn signal lights as I was talking about previously. And then the other thing I did is just rough up the back of the bumper as well too with that mag and aluminum polish as well. A lot of the chrome is flaking off, but at least it'll stop it so that it's not you know, basically rough and flaking all over the place. But I think these are easily something I can get re-chromed, if not by pre-chromed ones. So just more and more things to get it ready for body work. So yeah, so the next project is going to be to hit the roof with these 3M red scrubby pads, and this has got some surface rust on it together with some of the adhesive that I'm going to try to lift up, and I think that'll look a lot better as well. And it's kind of some paint work prep that'll need to happen eventually anyways. So we're going to jump into a little wiring here too, and this primary wire really bothers me because it's definitely shown some resistance. So I'm just going to quick make a snip here and put another eyelet on here just for good measures, because I don't know what happened here. I'm assuming something probably arced and did whatever, but before I set in and trying to straighten out some of the rest of this wiring, I'm going to start trying to sort this. I mean, that's pretty dangerous there, so let's do that. Okay folks, that's the new one put in place, and I routed it within. I kind of did a drop back loop just to make it a little bit safer and keep it away from the body. So I think that should hopefully work. Let's just make sure. Yep, we've got key turnage. Cool. I'm gonna start in some of these other wiring escapades next. Okay, the plot thickens. So I found these 3 wires, which actually look like the wires that are supposed to be for the back of the alternator. I just got done wrapping these up, and these things actually here, these 3, red, white, blue, here are 3 lines right here, red, white, and blue cut. So somebody looks like they did a bypass for these wires, and these go all the way back and loop through here and through this harness. So I think what I needed to do is then trace these out, extract them, and I think I'm going to actually get into that in another episode here. So I think for now I'm good on the wiring. I'm just going to keep doing some more work. I did also get this buttoned up too. This was actually rubbing this hose here, so this is much more solid. And you can see the amount of old electrical tape I've been pulling out too. So, but yeah, so wiring escapades. But I think once I get those out, clean up some of the rest of these, it's going to look much more cleaner now. There's just, you know, this is just history, really. So, there's always there's a bundle of wires here that seems to be with a cap for something, and I'm not sure what that goes to either. So yeah, this is a good enough button up for now, and I'm gonna start doing some other stuff here. Hey guys, that's gonna do it for this episode. So I hope you enjoyed it, and you can see the car is definitely starting to get the look that we want to go for with the muscle car, and it's really gonna start to take off here once we start getting into some more projects on it. Knocking out the electrical, that's gonna be another big thing under the hood, along with starting to tack in some of the rust repair that we have to do to get it ready for starting some of the body work. So I hope you enjoyed the episode, and if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing. Follow me on Instagram, and thanks again guys for watching. Peace.